That's the big one.
Smack it. And then you what?
Shake it. Is anyone catching that creeper there in the screen?
Creeper.
Yeah, I got a creeper over here. His head's peeking through. Over there. It's actually a she. I don't know. Maybe it'll be a he. It's gonna be on my website tomorrow for sale, though. Dun, 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 dun. I mean today, because it's 2 in the morning.
I don't think it's 2 in the morning.
What time is it then?
It's definitely not after midnight.
It is after midnight.
Let me go see.
Yeah, it is long after midnight. Your midnight's done come and gone, girl.
Okay, let's see.
No, I swear, it's long after midnight. Okay, so today, that doll's going to be on sale for on my website. Tambry has a doll. What time is it? 2:30?
It's 1:22 in the morning.
I told you.
What the heck? We need to get to bed.
I know, because we only slept like 3 hours last night. So, no, work today. It's work today. You gotta get up.
What the heck? I didn't know it was that late.
Yeah, you gotta get up soon.
This is not okay.
This is why we can't have nice things. Because you break them. Okay, so we were like, we need to get another surprise thing. No, blind box.
Were like,
I was like, let's find something that's so much fun.
I'm like, they need a break from these boxes.
No, they don't. So we keep the babies involved. See, there's some heads around. And so we were at Walmart looking, and we didn't really find anything that we thought would be fun. Scissors. We decided not to repurchase the girls because, you know, we just did those, and as much as we like them, they're expensive. So I saw this thing right here that you see called Surprise Toy Box, and it says unwrap 8 totally awesome surprises. So it's by Imperial, First and Fun. So I was like, and then I saw the price. They're $4.97.
Yeah, you can't beat that.
No, you can't beat it.
We bought some Funko Pop boxes in the past.
Like for $9 or whatever, and they're amazing.
Had way less than this, though.
Well, it had way less, but it valued more than what you paid.
Yeah.
So that was still a really cool deal.
Yeah.
Anyway, so it says over 151 toys to collect. So there's a lot to go on. So I thought, well, let's check it out, because if it's only $4.97 and you get 8 totally awesome surprises inside, that these are cheap things to do on family break, or like a cheap reward for your kids. So I was like,
especially those kids that enjoy blind boxes.
Or enjoy spending your money. I think that's all the kids.
Maybe you didn't really need to. Ooh, look at that.
Oh my gosh, so it's all in blind bags from them.
Surprise toy.
Oh, that's so cool.
So we have a lot of them. Holy moly.
I assumed yours is going to be girls stuff because of the box color, but I don't know. And I assume this is going to be boy stuff, so that's why we got it. So I'm so glad that we can't tell what it is in there, because then we can just... Oh my god, babe.
That's so cool.
I'm so anxious.
That's so awesome.
Yeah, we can
I'm gonna just like blindly grab something.
Me too. I'm just gonna grab one.
This is what I got.
This is what I got.
Ooh, it feels weird.
This feels like, I don't know.
Let's see. Let's see. What is this? What the heck?
What is it?
What the heck? What is this? Smack, then shake to inflate completely.
Oh, so it's like a blow-up.
Smack it?
No. So it looks like a lightsaber. There's a handle, so you can... so it blows up like a lightsaber, so you can play with it like a balloon thing. So smack, then shake to inflate. Yeah, so...
Ooh, yeah, that's long. Whoa, look, it's endless! Ah! Okay,
That's
so
a big
we
one.
smack it. And then you what?
Shake it. I don't think that's working. Did you read that right? Read it again, because I don't think it's... I think we're losing it. I'm shaking it. I don't think it's working.
I don't think, or maybe I'm not doing it right.
Maybe,
Because you feel like something here, like a bubble.
Do you need to stand up to do it?
No, I don't need to stand up to do it. Smack it and shake it. It's not working. It's dead.
Okay, well, toy one was a fail.
That was a total fail.
Okay, so I don't know what this is. All right. Well, we did only pay $4.97.
Hopefully yours will bring us back up. What the heck is that?
Oh my god! It's a bubble thing. You dip it in your bubbles, and then you can blow bubbles with it. I remember getting these with bubbles. That's pretty cool.
Okay.
But did they give us the bubbles?
So far, I like my gift than yours.
Yeah,
not my gift, but my first opening.
Yours
so far, I like mine.
Yours doesn't even work.
Oh, this is super heavy.
How do you like yours?
I just took this one randomly out, guys.
That's bubbles.
It's super heavy. It feels like a bottle.
I bet it's bubbles for my bubble toy.
What the heck? It is super miracle bubbles.
Don't blow those right here. There's dolls around.
Okay, so we won't.
So see, that's what I was telling you. So then you dip it in here, and then the kids blow it.
Okay, you're gonna.
Let's
have
go.
To
No,
show
that's
me
your
later.
freaking toy. Get it on your side.
Well,
God. No, mind your own business.
Okay. I will. Sorry.
Oh my god, mine's so heavy too! Oh!
Okay.
Do you think it's the same?
Relax. Okay. Relax.
Relax.
You need to calm down.
You need to calm down.
You're being too
Quit
loud.
messing around.
Oh my gosh,
Mine's
you got the
blue! Yay!
Okay, so now let's see.
That's so cool. Maybe tomorrow we'll go outside and try out the toys.
What the heck? I got one of those hammer looking things.
What do you just plan to grab all the same things as mine? You're a copycat.
So far, seems like they might have the same things.
Yeah, doesn't matter what color your box is. What is this? Oh, what? That looks like fun. So you oh my
it's a
god, that
sticky
would be
thing.
fun. Yeah, so you project. Oh my gosh,
The
you shoot it at
projectiles.
people. Oh my god, we're going to attack my mom with this.
Oh no, she won't be happy.
Wow, that's cool.
That is totally a toy for you.
That is
Not
so
for
neat.
me. So we're gonna move on.
Well, yeah,
Let's see
you
what
like
I
broken
got.
toys. We already established that.
Broken toys.
Broken toys. Broken toys.
There's some figurines in here.
Ooh, maybe.
Ooh.
Oh, what?
I got a little
Hey.
sea monster or sea dinosaur.
Oh, and it's like a rubbery. The quality of these are pretty nice.
And then I got a magenta looking lion.
Oh,
Ooh.
he's neat.
They feel really nice.
Yeah.
And then
Oh.
a octopus or
Oh, that's cool.
squid. I don't know the
I think
difference.
it's an octopus. That's
These are
so
really
neat.
cool. I like them.
Yeah. Let me see. I'm gonna
Let
grab
me
mine.
see.
Let me see. Ooh, I didn't get the same one as you this time. I'm different.
I'm different. Yay!
Yay, I'm different. Yay. Oh my god, it's a bubble thing.
That's really cool.
So this you put in there and blow your bubbles.
What's that?
That's the bubbles blowing.
Okay, moving on to the next one here.
I am kind of bummed that it's
What
the
the heck?
same. Oh, you
I
got
got-
ripped off. That's
Well, it's okay. I
sad.
mean,
It's a different animal though.
it's a hippopotamus.
And they are different colors.
and a squid or octopus.
Oh,
and
they're
a-
different animals.
What do you call this
It's
one?
a dinosaur.
I feel well, yeah, it's a dinosaur.
It's a long neck dinosaur.
Okay.
You got different ones though. That's cool. Now your zoo is growing.
It definitely is.
Ooh, this one's different than yours. Okay. Let's see what it is. It's a freaking Easter egg. Happy Easter to you. Oh, it's Putty. Wow. No. It's Putty, honey.
Oh, it's Putty.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. You know what? Wow, this is really worth the... This is fun.
Yeah, this is definitely fun.
I know they're
it's
like
a great price.
Yeah.
It's underpriced.
I mean, I think it's great for the price because they're not like last you forever toys, you know. Maybe these ones are pretty cool.
Oh, you have a point.
But, you know, like, I think it's nicely priced for it.
Okay, I just grabbed a random one. And,
ooh. That should make noise.
Does it?
Yeah. I don't know how you use them. Is it this? I don't know.
You're making that sound with your throat, right? That's not the little toy.
Is this bubbles?
You're going...
Is that a bubble thing?
You're getting all creative, like always. Honestly, I have no idea what this is for. I feel like I've seen it many times in my life.
Bubbles. Our bubbles here. I don't know, man. Yeah, because there's air vents, and it's just like it's just air, and I'm all making noise like there's.
Yeah, she was making noise like it was making it on its own. Like, yeah, oh my god, it's a toy making it. It's not me.
Stop it!
Come on,
you're ridiculous.
Show us what you got in that box.
Okay, Mama. I'll show you what I got. I'm losing my camera. It's getting excited. Okay, calm down, camera. What have we got? Oh my gosh. I think I got a sandwich.
Like, I would have really...
This is smack.
Switch. I like a sandwich better.
Smack.
Yeah.
Then
smack,
shake
then
to inflate.
Oh, you did it right. What?
Oh, I feel it.
How did you know? I feel it.
It's like cold stuff in there.
How did you know to do it that way? That's so not fair. You're losing your tripod.
I'm trying to shake my sandwich, man. I gotta eat. Like now it's all blown up.
That is insane.
That's pretty cool.
I can't
oh my
believe
gosh, look at that.
Mine.
Yours is probably not ruined. Oh my gosh, it's really blown up.
Here, you need to fix
that. That is
camera.
so cool. It's about like what, 2 feet long?
Yeah, it's a very big sand.
You hear it? You hear it? See, it's cold. Let me see. I bet yours is fine.
Yeah, it's cold.
Let me see. You have to really...
It's crazy that it's cold.
Hit it. There,
yours was instant.
Yeah, yours is coming along.
Oh
it's
my
a slow
god,
one.
this is perfect. How come they don't sell balloons like this?
I don't know. This is so neat.
This is really cool. Like I said, this is my favorite one.
Yeah, now that it's working.
And it's
but
really
yours is
hard.
A slow one.
Like,
come on, get it going.
You guys, I feel like it's harder than when you get a helium balloon. Look.
Yeah, it is. No, I know. I'm trying to get yours to blow up.
It's very compacted in there.
Oh yeah, you can't even squish it. Yours is
it's beautiful. This sandwich is beautiful.
It is a nice sandwich. It's so cool.
It's a super nice sandwich.
Oh my gosh, what is wrong with yours?
It's okay. Can we move on?
Mm-hmm. And 20 minutes later,
I know,
Jackie's lightsaber it has decided to join the party, and my arm is sore. So on
Thank
to
you're
welcome.
Love with Reborn.
Is it my turn or your turn?
Well,
I'll just go.
I think it's my turn because you just did the sandwich.
Oh, true. True. Whatever. I had to do all that. Oh my gosh! Look at this freaking lobster.
That's awesome.
That is so cool. Look at all the detail in that. That is so awesome. And did you get a tiger? I got a purple tiger or lion. And then
I got
this
a magenta one.
thing, I don't know what they're called.
I got a red one of those.
Yeah, I got an orange one. So cool. I'm on my last one. My
Go
favorite
ahead.
toy is the one that you can shoot across the room.
Of course. The one that you used to
The
hurt
sandwich balloon thingy is really cool. I can't wait to fight you and beat you up with it. Not really. But look at this goldfish. I got a freaking fancy goldfish. Check that out.
people. I really like that goldfish.
Yeah. And then a dinosaur. Okay, baby. And this sandwich is so cold and so firm. Like, it's like a fluid in there. You can hear it. It sounds like foaming soda.
Yeah, it does sound like baking soda or something like that. No, like you just served yourself a glass of like
Soda on ice.
A new, yeah, that soda on ice sound. I'm
Open your freaking toys.
this weird thing that I noticed you didn't get. But
Oh yeah,
it's
what
square,
is that?
And it's I'm very
Well, see, they're
curious.
supposed to be different because you're supposed to be able to get over 151 different toys. So I'm glad to see that we don't have identical
Let me
boxes. So
bring
that
this
you know
to
what that
the
means?
side and use my scissors.
That means we can go back to Walmart and get more, and they will probably have different stuff, which that's good. Because remember the one time we bought those bags? They were like these. They looked like potato chip bags filled with things.
Oh yeah.
And they were totally identical.
Yeah, they were.
So it was so depressing, and it was supposed to be blind bags. Yeah, can you just like cut that open already, and without cutting yourself? Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh
whoa,
my gosh.
Whoa. Oh, okay. Here we go.
What?
It's like a patch, right? Like an ironing patch.
Oh my god, yeah, those are like a couple bucks at Walmart. What
So
the
there's
heck?
sticky patches.
I've seen those before.
Look at that. That's really cool.
That is super cool. Wow.
I
Oh my
totally
god,
would.
I want to get another box.
That's really cool.
We can get
And
another
look
box
at all
because-
the different patches you can collect.
They're so cheap to get. Oh my god, can you guys believe it? Like these I think were like $2.98 or $3.98. I mean, this is well over what you pay. Probably double what, it's so cool. This is so fun. I cannot. You have more in there?
I have one more. You went
Oh.
like 2 times or 3 times, remember?
Oh yeah. I cannot wait
Oh, this one also feels
to
different.
get another one.
Look
No way.
They're little animal
What?
erasers.
That is so cool.
Look at all the ones you can collect.
That's so cool. Wow.
That's really cool. I really like this. That was fun.
Yeah,
And
that
different.
was fun.
I hope you guys are enjoying
'Cause-
this. From the comments, it seems like you guys are.
Yeah, I wasn't
But
sure.
We're definitely gonna try not to overload you guys.
No, we are. We're gonna do it.
We're gonna do it?
We're gonna
We're
do
gonna do
it.
it?
We're gonna do it. This is the most you and I talk all week.
Oh, please.
Other than that, I'm like, who is this person in the house? God, freaking make me some dinner. No, all right, guys. Well, thank you so much. I hope you guys had a blast. Hopefully, I premiered this video. That's what I'm hoping for. I like these things, and I
know,
cannot
they're
lie. But yours is
crazy.
not as hard as mine. Mine's harder.
I think they're about
So
the
that's what
same.
it's for. Like, oh yeah, fight.
Like lifesaver.
Except that one end feels really cold that I was holding.
Yeah, that my end too on this balloon looking thing is pretty gold.
All right.
That's crazy, huh?
I know, it's weird.
It's chemistry, science.
Science. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching.